Precious are those days with a smile on your face. Jesus from above will walk with you in your ways. Precious are those days with a smile on your face. Angels from above guiding you always.
Hey y'all, picture this. Let me close you all right from the start until the Independence Day when Alan Donald drop. He's the one with the job stuff. When he pops his rap shit, the whole mob drop. Reminiscing the time we on the street. When we pass by, the other guys follow a beat. He never hesitate to bring the heat. In the whole street, he just follow his mind's lead. We miss y'all.